Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today I'm going to show you what's happening on the Bitcoin price, because you can clearly see that right now Bitcoin, guys, did an insane drop from $30,500 that we pumped yesterday. We saw today a massive dump that it went the Bitcoin price under this very important support line, which was exactly the $29,250, and right now we are moving into a downtrend movement because here we formed a lower low. So most of you right now gonna ask me, Chris, what's happening? Are we gonna get lower? Is this a bearish indication? What's happening at all? Guys, on this video I'm gonna tell you my scenario, because on this current chart I see something that most people not gonna see, and unfortunately they're gonna rect out if these two scenarios are gonna play out, and I'm gonna show you on this video what I mean. So if you would like to know what I believe is gonna happen as an outcome of this current situation, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And also gonna see a daily charts, the BTC monthly and weekly charts. So if you would like to know all these, stay until the end of the video. And guys, before we continue, I would like to tell you that I'm not financial advisor. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. This is only my personal approach and personal opinion, okay? And here also I would like to show you my VIP soldier community, because here, guys, I'm sending you big signals of low cap gems that has a massive potential to do 100x, 200x, 500x, even 1000x. And guys, also here you're gonna see the strategy that I deploy for my bitcoins to actually multiply my bitcoins through very great projects of altcoins. I'm investing on those altcoins, and actually my initial investment of 0.1 BTC is getting back at 0.6, 0.5 BTC. So it's really interesting if you want to build insane wealth to join on this VIP soldier group. Only for the first 50 people this current price. Subsequently the price is going to be higher. The justification of the bigger price is going to be the results of the guys who enter on this group. So that's why it's only for the first 50 people. Also, with this membership group, you're gonna have all my sell signals, stake signals if I find any good opportunity for the long run, access to my whole portfolio, because currently I'm holding over 150 altcoins, and probably at the peak of the bull run I'm gonna hold over 300, even 400 altcoins. And the most interesting part of that is I'm holding, guys, all these kind altcoins almost for free, because I'm deploying a very smart strategy from low cap gems. And not only I have mid cap gems with crazy potential, and even large cap gems that have also 50x potential, okay? Because I'm spending hours before I invest in any low cap gem, and you need, guys, an experience and hours to read the current project to understand if it's scam or it's backed by a dedicated team which gonna make it multi-million company. So without losing more time, let's dive straight into our analysis, because here we're gonna have lots of interesting things to speak about. Guys, we had previously this symmetrical triangle. I told you this is gonna break, because in the 1 hour time frame we had a Bollinger Band which squeezed a lot. We saw the breakdown to the downside. Also, I told you that here we had a very strong support, and we won't get into this technical price target, which was exactly the $29,000 of this symmetrical triangle. I told you that we're gonna stick on this area, and it happened exactly as I told you. And also that day that we saw this massive drop, I told you that there is a probability to see a bounce to the upside, and as it happened. But yesterday, guys, I told you that right now the odds are to see a more upside movement rather than downside movement, but it happened, the downside movement. And my justification of that is simply because, guys, as you remember, I told you, as we are below this $30,500 area, it can happen absolutely everything. That's why I remain neutral. We will need to surpass this massive and most crucial resistance of the Bitcoin, this yellow line, and stay above that with confirmation. Only that reason I'm gonna be super bullish. Right now I still remain bearish, and I'm gonna tell you guys that personally this kind of dump that happened today is not something that scares me. Okay, I don't believe that this could be and very bad. I don't believe that we can drop with this kind of pump. Is actually the beginning of the drop to $20,000 area. I don't believe that. Okay, maybe I'm wrong, nobody knows, but as I see right now the chart, I believe a lot that there is two probabilities to see here. First of all, if you're gonna see this current $29,000 area that we are standing bouncing and getting again over $29,250, there is gonna be a huge probability that this downtrend movement gonna flip into a double bottom. So as you know, double bottoms are very bullish. Is this W movement, and if we're gonna see, guys, here a consolidation phase, or either slightly pump back to $30,500, which is the base of this massive resistance, then obviously this is gonna be a very strong bullish pattern, that if we're gonna break the $30,500, which if in this case it's gonna happen, this scenario, I believe a lot that we're gonna break this instantly. We're gonna eventually break the $30,500 area. Okay, this is a scenario one. The scenario two that probably there is big probability to happen is to see, guys, here a formation of a fall wedge pattern, because it's going straight into a beautiful formation of a fall wedge pattern. Obviously it's not standard, it's a probability to happen. It's a scenario that right now is information. We didn't see an uptrend movement, but if we're gonna see an impulsive move back to this resistance and we're gonna move like that, then obviously, guys, this is gonna be a fall wedge pattern with an outcome to break to the upside, and this is gonna have a technical price target, again this $30,500 area. So there is a big probability to jump back here at this area. So I'm gonna tell you my third scenario on this 4-hour time frame, because also obviously there is a probability to break to the downside and we're gonna get back to a lower level, guys. Obviously the most strongest support right now for the Bitcoin price is this daily resistance that we had before, and I believe that if we're gonna see this furthermore dump to the downside, the worst case scenario to see for the Bitcoin is gonna get to is to get back to this $28,000, and I believe a lot that this is gonna be very hard to break to the downside. Here is gonna be a nice bottom to actually bounce and get straight to $30,500 and even above that. So I believe a lot that if the Bitcoin price, guys, gonna get back to this $28,000, we're gonna see an insane buying pressure, which gonna pump by a lot the Bitcoin price. Also the Dixie, guys, before a couple hours, it did an impulsive move to the upside, but right now it seems that is getting a pullback. Okay, you can clearly see right is starting at $101 and 94 cents. You can clearly see here. I believe, guys, you know my opinion that Dixie, no matter what's going to happen here, from time to time it's gonna get back under from $100. So this is a very bullish indication for the Bitcoin price. Okay, also for the weekly and for the monthly, guys, the weekly indicator is this exponential moving average 15 to 100, which I would like to show you. Most of you already know that we saw here a golden cross, which indicates me that this kind of a pullback that we saw today isn't something that we should pay attention. Okay, I believe a lot that even if we're gonna see the pullback back to $28,000, here there is a huge probability to see a bounce to the upside. Okay, and last but not least, we have the monthly indicator, guys, which is this MACD monthly, and if this April gonna close above the $30,000 area, there is huge probability to see a golden cross on the MACD, which gonna start with this golden cross, we're gonna start building the bullish territory, which the last time that we saw that, it was the beginning of the bull run. So obviously it will happen, probably the same. Okay, not obvious, probably. And this is what I would like to tell you. Let's see what's going to happen here, guys. I'm waiting to see everything. Okay, I told you the three scenarios. For me, it didn't change something significant. It's obvious to see some pullbacks. We cannot get only upwards or in a consolidation phase. Okay, it's very normal, nothing to scary about. And I'm waiting for confirmations again. I'm still neutral. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question. Do not forget to check my Patreon. You're gonna regret it. I'm not telling you guys that to join on this group. I'm telling you this because I'm really trying to help you. Okay, I'm gonna be open everyone in this group to send me message. I reply every message in whatever time you're gonna send me. You are my priority if you join into this group, because I'm very busy lately. Obviously, if you don't have the money to enter, I will reply every comment on YouTube when I find time. If you support me, you support me. I don't care if you are in the group or not. Here I would like to join if you are a serious investor and you know about the how to invest in altcoins, and you are looking to avoid all the research. Okay, this is why one reason why you need to enter in this group, to avoid this extensive research. Okay. um, and I'm gonna close the video here, guys. I will see you all in the next. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.